Hi, my name is Joe, and in this video I am switching out my winter closet, my winter full closet for my spring summer closet. This always takes me ages. The lighting in this video is natural light, so you'll see that it gets later. I kind of started really late. I started at 4 p.m. and I finished around I don't know, 10, 11 with a break for dinner in there. So the light slowly gets a little bit darker, but you can see, you can see in the video. Anyway, this is new Colby.
I just a belt.
Oh my gosh, he just said he belched. Lovely. Anyway, this is a new kind of video for me. I've made a few of these, so I'm tweaking speeds and music and all of that stuff. So if you have any feedback for me, just leave it down below. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy this motivational closet switch out video. Colby! Oh, my toddler's belching. Oh, I don't know. Alright, I had to take a moment because this is horrible. I've just been throwing my hangers on the floor, so I need to pick all those up. I just almost twisted my ankle stepping over them, so that needs to be picked up. There's a blanket. Colby, as you probably saw in the video, has been playing in here, which is, I've just kicked him out to go see his dad. That was a little challenging with him. That pile on the floor there is to be donated. I just haven't worn them, and yeah, it's been a weird year. I haven't worn everything I would have worn, but, they're not sparking so much joy, and I don't feel like they're going to fit me, and I don't need that in my closet. Got summer stuff waiting to go away. There's my tub of winter so far. This is like full Halloween. Summer to go in my closet. Tubs of summer over there. I can't even right now. So it's one of those jobs where I'm like, why did I start? My closet, which is a pain because it's not very big. I have two. Luckily, Tom let me have both. But I've decided that I can't take out all the long sleeves because spring can be chilly. So I think I'm going to make, that part, this part spring. Because as soon as the summer starts, as soon as it gets to May, none of that needs to stay in my closet. And every year I keep it in my closet. And every year I end up with no room in my closet because I've still got, I'm using this light, so I'm holding it. Every year I end up with clothes in my closet taking up retail space that I don't need them to take up for the wrong season because I kept them in. So this time I'm going to try and keep my specifically cooler spring stuff separate so I can put it away when it starts getting hot and have more room. So I've taken care of all the winter and fall from this section. That's tops and cardigans. This is dresses and pants. So now I'm gonna I don't know if I'm doing this or I want to sort out this. Anyway, we'll see what I decide, but that's where I am right now, and I'm kind of regretting doing this. I'm just stopped recording the speeded up part to share something I'm going to try this season. So usually what I do is I buy these, I can't find one, they break. I buy these hangers that have the hook part so that you can do 2 hangers because there isn't a lot of closet space and I have way too many clothes. But this, like, you kind of can't see the clothes underneath. Like as you saw as I was going through my closet, I'm finding clothes I haven't worn because I can't see them. So I don't like that. So I saw this strategy on online, and it should help me see my clothes more. And it's a way to make it so I could put a rail underneath. And so what you do is you get one of the hangers with the hooky part, and that goes on the top. And then you take the second hanger and you put the bottom part on the hanger, and then you pick it up, and then it's just this one dress, so it's taking up the space of as 2, but now you can see it only hangs down to here, which means that Tom can put a rail in lower and I can have 2, and I will be able to see all my dresses better and hopefully have more space. So that's what I'm going to try and do. And I guess next year when not next year, in the fall when I change up my closet, I'll let you know if it worked. But right now this seems like a good plan, so I'm going to keep going with that. Also, my long dresses just get tangled at the bottom of my closet, so maybe that will save that. I don't know. It's the next day and I just finished vacuuming. There is a jigsaw puzzle on the floor because if you're the mom of a younger child, you know you're never alone. So he was doing his puzzle and I just kicked him out. As you saw when I was cleaning, I picked out, so there he is. I came back, I picked out my clothes for the week. This is Tom's area. I'm not touching it, he needs to clean it. My winter clothes are now over there. Bed's made. Sides are wiped down. My crochet's organized. Side is cleared. I have this tub where I put clothes that like I've worn once, and I do yoga in the morning, so I might wear a t-shirt and it's not dirty. I wore it for like 20 minutes or half an hour, so I'll wear it the next day. It sounds kind of gross. But you know what I mean, like, or a sweater that I put on for like 20 minutes while I was outside and it was chilly, but I haven't worn more than that. So yeah, bedroom is done. I do hate my bedroom furniture and the room is a little small, but you work with what you got, and this is what I've got. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in another video. And I'm not filming myself because it's Sunday and I look like trash. Ugh, what are you doing? You look cute though. Do you look cute?
I'm not cute.
You're not cute? What are you?
I'm just Toby.
You're just Colby Roo. Alright, bye everyone.